Hi, I'm Sarah, co-founder of HopSkotch. HopSkotch is a centralized web platform helping boost visibility of vetted impact brands and connecting them with like-minded consumers. While promoting our site and speaking with our intended customer base, we realized there might be a need for a niche product that has yet to hit the market, a coffee cup with an extra twist. We decided to create a prototype using sustainable processes and partnership with a local business. We contacted Scan-Xpress because we needed their expertise in design and fast prototyping to create a first iteration cup that we could showcase to our community. Having no product design experience ourselves, we needed help bringing our vision to life. We presented the rough idea and some sketches and received our first working prototype within 1 week. This was highly valuable for us since we were then able to survey our intended market with a live prototype. Scan-Xpress also helped us perform multiple design iterations based on feedback we provided on look and feel of the cup. With the help of 3D scanning, we were able to reshape the prototype, incorporating reverse-engineered features from existing popular products.
For our project with HopSkotch, we wanted to base our prototype design on scanned data from existing products. We use 3D scanning to accurately capture and reverse engineer the top and bottom lid radius and circumference from a popular cup. We also took a scan of a generic but sturdy drinking hole to incorporate into the design. To capture our scan data, we used the GOM Scan 1 in conjunction with the GOM ROT 350 automatic rotation table. The GOM Scan 1 offers great resolution and was designed for this sort of application in mind. For our 3D print, we used the Delta WASP 2040, which boasts high speeds and a large printing area. The whole cup took less than 12 hours to print, and by using the GOM Scan 1 for reverse engineering, we were able to CAD more efficiently and have less design iterations to arrive at our final solution.
With this prototype, we hope to build a viable business case to HopSkotch and our social networks.